Welcome to this how-to video on your Samsung Galaxy S2. In this video, we'll discuss the home screen. The home screen is the default screen of your Galaxy, kind of like the desktop area on your computer. This is where you can get to all of the various applications, features, and functionalities of your Galaxy phone. On your home screen, you can expect to find widgets, such as the ones you see here, the time widget, the weather widget, the Google search widget. And you can also expect to find shortcuts to applications that are installed on your device, such as the Gmail app here, the Google Talk app, the Applications Market app, and the Maps app. The home screen can be customized to suit your preferences and needs. You can take off the shortcuts and widgets which you don't want displayed here, and you can add the shortcuts and widgets which you do want displayed here. Your Galaxy S2 can accommodate up to 7 distinct home screens. To move from one home screen to another, simply swipe left or right. Notice that as we browse through the various home screens, the bottom area of the display remains the same. This is what is known as the dock. The dock can contain shortcuts to applications and features which will maintain their position at the bottom of the screen regardless of which home screen you're viewing. The shortcuts that are displayed in the dock area are also customizable, and you can decide on what shortcuts will be displayed here. If you log on to our website with your username and password, you could watch a video on that subject. As a default, the dock is set to display the shortcuts to the phone functionality of your device, your list of contacts, the messaging application which will let you send, receive, and read text messages on your phone, and a shortcut to the app drawer, which is a full list of applications you have installed on your device. Now let's see how to personalize your home screen. Press and hold in an empty space until the menu shows. Here, you'll choose what you'd like to add to your current home screen. Let's say that you want to add a shortcut. Tap on Shortcuts. Now you'll encounter all the types of shortcuts you could add. Let's see how to add a shortcut to an application that is installed on your device. Tap on Applications and tap on the application you'd like to add. Let's choose the BBC Player app as an example. That's it. From now on, instead of going through your entire application list in your app drawer, looking for the BBC Player application, you can simply tap on its shortcut which appears on your home screen. Going back to adding a shortcut to your home screen, we've already mentioned that there are several types of shortcuts you could add. Now let's review those types. You could add a shortcut to any of the applications currently installed on your device, as we've just done. You could add a shortcut to a web page you have bookmarked in your Galaxy's browser. You could add a shortcut to a contact you have on your phone. You could add a shortcut to a stored phone number. You could add a shortcut to a direct message destination. You could add a shortcut to a GPS navigation destination. You could add a shortcut to a particular email discussion. And you could add a shortcut to a Gmail label, which relates to a certain class of email messages that you have profiled in your Gmail account. Let's leave shortcuts and move on to adding widgets to your home screen. Widgets are live applications that run constantly on your home screen. They can do all sorts of things, from telling you the time, informing you of weather conditions, to giving you the latest news updates. So let's see how to add a widget to your home screen. Again, press and hold in an empty space on your home screen. This time, select Widgets from the menu. Let's pick the Live Weather widget by ActiveWeather.com. That's it. From now on, the Live Weather widget will run constantly on this home screen, informing you continually of weather conditions. Some widgets can also be resized. Simply ensure that the widget has enough space on the current home screen, then hold down on it until the screen changes. If the widget can be resized, it will have a grey tab at the bottom corner and a yellow grid around it. Hold onto the tab and drag to the size and shape you want. When you're done, just press the back button of your Galaxy to set the changes. To move a shortcut or a widget that's on your home screen, just hold down on one until the screen changes. Then drag it to the desired location. You can also move a shortcut or a widget between your home screens by dragging one to the edge of a screen and then releasing it. To delete a shortcut or a widget, simply hold down on one and drag it to the bin that appears at the bottom of the screen. Last but not least on the topic of customizing your home screen is how to change your home screen's wallpaper. Again, press and hold in an empty space until the menu shows. Tap Wallpapers. Now, for a wallpaper, you can choose an image from the online picture gallery, a preloaded image that you have in your wallpaper gallery, or an animated live wallpaper. Let's see how to add an animated live wallpaper. Tap Live Wallpapers. Some wallpapers here are interactive and change their appearance in real time, like this one here, Ocean Weather. If you set this one as your wallpaper, the ocean's weather conditions will be streamed live to your device and affect the appearance of the wallpaper in real time.